Good evening, everyone. And on behalf of Let's Talk, Let's Connect, I'd like to welcome you all to this evening's session. Let's Talk, Let's Connect is one of the initiatives of amazing human beings which aims to spread universal love and healthy connection. My name is Shukurna Chaudhary. I'm an MBA student from Kolkata who found herself revisiting this platform over and over again. And eventually, I got involved in the background work and made lots of new friends who lived in other parts of my country, which is India. I'll be your co-host for this session along with Vanita. This evening's webinar session is on Doodle and Mandela art, and the facilitator is none other than Priyanka Mahender Kumar. She's a passionate self-taught artist, a professional software engineer who likes exploring people and traveling the world. I have one request for every participant tonight. Please keep a paper and a pencil with you at all times, since this is a drawing session. And without any further ado, ma'am, I'd like to hand this over to you.
Yeah, so that was a pretty good introduction. Thank you, Sukanya, for introducing me. So, in today's session, you will be knowing what is my yes in the chat section if you have done it. So, while attending a very boring class, boring lectures, I know like there will be some of you would have drawn or scribbled something at the backside of your notebooks. So that is what pretty much is called as doodling. It's just a mindless art. So like both has difference, where in mandala you will put in your full concentration, whereas in doodling it's just a mindless art, like you just scribble and that's what is called as doodling is actually. So in this session I'll be telling you how to make that doodling with a better facial expression. Okay, and in the end of the session I'll also teach you how to draw mini mandalas. Okay, I think I just don't want to make it so theoretical. I think you understand what mandala and doodling and the difference with it. So you can just give me a thumbs up or as in the chat session so that I'll just continue with doodling. Okay, and you can draw along with me. Yeah, okay. So guys, you can draw along with me and so that it will be easy for you. Um, I'll just oh. So in this session, I'll tell you, okay, I'll just grab a pen. Give me a second. Uh, and I'll be using the fine liners. I think you can see it is Brusto. You can see, right? So this is a fine liner, pigment liner, which I'm going to use. Okay. If you don't have any, it's okay. You can just grab your pencil or pen. Okay, that works. So now we are going to, know the facial expression. So before going to the facial expressions, I'll tell you what are the different types of faces you can draw. Okay, so you can draw. I think is it visible? Okay, is the camera okay?
Yeah, it's perfectly visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Uh, I just got some no's. Roshni or Tamil Mori, can you tell me what is a no? Like you don't understand what is doodling or mandala? You have any question?
No, when you draw, we can see the shadow falling on the paper, so it is not clear actually when you write or draw.
Okay. Now is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
fine,
I can
right?
see in the chat that some people are telling that they cannot see the video.
Okay, that's because they can like amazing human like Suganya. Can you please pin the chat? My have joined from two things. I think they're talking about they cannot see my face. I have already disconnected that video, but I think you will see my
Yeah.
sheet.
I
My sheet.
think
Can
I
you
have
please
pinned
pin
the
this?
video. Priyanka, I think I have pinned the video, but I will try my again, and I will do the spotlight also.
Yeah.
I think you are the host now.
No, I'm a co-host. So
Can you make me a 1 minute? 1 minute. Let me do it.
I think you can swipe and check. I have already joined from Priyanka Kumar as well. So guys, can you please see my video now? The one here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So okay, so I'll just get started with this. So talking about the faces, you have, okay, thank you for the response. Thank you all. So for the faces, we generally go for first one. We generally go for circular one. It is not compulsory that you actually have to go for circular one. You have got a different type of faces as well. So this is a one kind. You can again go for oval, okay, and you can go for something like square shape, okay, and you can go for something like this as well. So these are different kind of face shapes which I'm trying to explain you. Okay, this is one type. You can go for triangle because doodling is all fun, guys. So you can go with any face shape. And I'll tell you one more face shape. It is the potato kind of face shape where you will draw a circle, okay, and then overlapping that you will draw an oval like this, okay. Um, and you have to join these two curves, okay, and you can erase the center part. So this pretty much comes like this with something like this. It comes something like this. So the shape is actually like this. So this is a potato shaped face, okay, potato shaped face. And these are the different kinds of face shape you can go for. And I'll just tell you the eyes expression, okay. Now I'll talk about the eyes. So what are the different kinds of eyes you can give, okay, to this character, okay. It can be very simple, something like this. Yeah, I'll just I think now you can see. Yeah,
Yes,
she
ma'am.
actually a groundnut or a potato shape, something. Yeah, you can keep your own name. So this is eyes. This is a very simple and formal eyes, and you can give something like this to your art. Something like this. This also go good, and something like this. Maybe a winking kind of thing. Yes. So you can go for an angry one or something like this. Okay. So these are all simple face shapes. So you can go like this or as well while drawing small lashes or something like this. Okay. So all these eyes, okay, will go good. Um, if you have any doubt, you can just ping me in the chat. I'm reading it as well. Okay? So now I'll tell you the nose shape. Okay. So the nose shape can be simple as this or something like this. Okay. Or you can put elongated, I mean something like this U. So it is a long nose where if you want to represent someone who has a very long nose, you can do that. Can you tell those pen grades? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, give me a second. So now I am using 0.8. Okay, I think is it clear? 0.8. So I'm using pen of Brusto 0.8. Tamil Mori, I'll come to you the art materials which I'm using. Okay, I'll tell you an alternative form of things as well. So currently you can go with your pencil or a gel pen. Okay, not able to. Ritika, what you are not able to see? You want me this one, the Brusto pen, or this one, which is not visible? Okay, not able to hear. Oh, sorry. Now, can you hear me now?
I think Priyanka, your voice is very correct and we can hear you. I think they have
Okay.
their end.
Ritika, can you please again join in the session and check your internet connectivity? I think that helps.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, thank you. So I'll just continue with the session. So these are the nose, and you can make almost a closed U, something like this, a big fat nose. Yeah, something like this. Or you can go for a usual L. Okay, this we used to draw, right? So usual L shape. I think I'll move on to ears. So for ears, you can go for a C like this. Okay, or you can go for something like a bracket kind of thing, or you can go something like this as well. It's up to you guys, so it's up to you. You can draw like you can combine these face shapes with your eyes, nose and ears, and you can just build up your character. Okay, so these are the few things which I have experimented and I'm just telling you down. Okay, and then I'll be moving on to the mouth part, which is quite interesting. Actually, I love this. You have a classic U-shaped mouth. So this is what we pair actually, the this eyes and this one. This is a usual thing. So it is a classic U thing. And the same can be done like this as well, something like this. And you can draw your tongue. So this is your tongue part, and you can color it out like this. So it is like you have opened your mouth wide open. Okay. The next thing is I'm again drawing the same shape. Okay. And here I'm representing this teeth, and I'm going to color this out. Okay. Something like this. So this also works. And you can draw, I'll just put this up a little more. Okay. So the next part is something like this with the tongue. So I have combined the teeth and the tongue, and I'm going to cover the negative spaces. The negative space, I mean here the white space, which I'm going to cover it up. So guys, you can see how I made different kinds of mouth. I just combined it. You can just have a look at your WhatsApp emojis, and it has got plenty kinds of expression. You can also take a note of this if you wish. I'll just show you some template which I have made with the mouth and the eyes. Give me some time, 1 minute. So I think you can see it. I'll just lift up my camera so that you can see what I have made. So I think, is it clear? Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. Okay. Can you see this? I think you can see. So here I have made different kinds of eyes and some different kind of mouths. I have combined these two. Okay, the eyes, I have paired this eyes with this mouth, and all these kind. And this one is the latest trend, right? With a mask, wearing a mask. So I just represented it with a mask. So I think it's pretty clear. Thank you, Akshay. Thank you. So these are the different kind of expressions. So with the set of eyes and the set of this mouth, I just pad it up, and you can see it is really sad, but if you just check it out with these open mouth and closed mouth, it is really different. Okay, and even this, and this is something hard and funny, I guess. So I think let's get started with the face. If you have any doubt, you can just ping me in the chat. I'll be helping you out. Okay. I'll just okay. Give me a second, guys. I'll just make different face shapes. Okay. Now I'll teach you how to make with the face shape which I have already made. So we are going to combine these things. Okay. So we are going to combine all these things and we are going to make the face shape. Okay. So just give me a second. Sorry. So I think let's get started. Okay. So we'll just go for a simple U. Okay. This is something simple U. Okay, or else we can make it a circular one as well. Okay, I'll just go with a classic round face. Okay. So first, what you have to do is like you have to divide it. You have to divide it into two parts with a straight vertical line, and just make 3 horizontal lines. Can you share me the template in the group? Yamini, you can DM me to my Instagram account. I'll just, so this is my Instagram account, poised_strokes. You can make a note of it and I'll share you in that group. Okay, is it fine? Okay, okay, Yamini. Okay, so guys, you can make your own template. That is what the template I made with the set of eyes which I have and with the set of mouth which I made. So I just pad them up. You can, I'll definitely share you in if you text me in Instagram. Okay. So here, I have taken a classic round shape and I have divided it into 3 horizontal segments and as a vertical one. Okay. So first I'll teach you a very simple thing. So in the first horizontal, you're going to make your eyes. Okay. And always the ears will be below your eyes. So I'll make my ears here. So I'm just going with a very, very simple drawing. So with this, I'm pretty sure you can make it. Okay. And this is where your nose lies. That is in the intersection of the horizontal and the vertical line. That is your second horizontal and the vertical line. Okay. And in the third horizontal from the top, here where you have to place your mouth. Okay. So now I'll just go for a very simple mouth. Okay. So with this, I think it's pretty simple. I just did a vertical line and then 3 horizontal. I placed each thing. And after that, you can erase off these lines. And these lines are called as guidelines. Okay. It is, you can initially use them, okay, for drawing. But after that, you can just erase that off. Okay. So let's go for another face shape. So, okay, let's go for, I just don't like my face to be floating. I usually draw neck and not the clothing, but yes, I just do put hands so that it looks pretty good. Okay, now this time I'll show you how to draw hairs as well. So let's go for a simple big U or something like that. So yeah, and I'm again dividing this into 3. So as you already know, I have placed my ears here. So I need to place my eyes here. This time I'll go for something like this. Okay. I think it will be clear if I draw with a pen. So just give me a second. Okay. So I'm drawing the eyes here. Okay. Very simple eyes. And I'll go for a nose. Very simple nose. But this time I'm making my mouth look wide bigger with a tongue. Okay. So this is a kind of face shape which I am making, and I am coloring the negative spaces. So can you see? I think everybody can see it. If you face any issues, you can just type your message in the chat section so that I know. And now we are going to make the hairline. So hairline can be something like this. I'll make something like this for a girl. Now I'm going to draw a girl. So I just made my hairline like this, and I'm just going to give something like this. I'll draw neck and a body. I'll give a body because I don't like floating heads. So I'm just giving. You can make it long if you want the hair, or you can just make it short. So I think it's clear. Okay. Now I'm just again lining it with the pen, fine liners. Okay. Okay, something like this. Okay. So now I'm going to shade my hair. It's not that you should not shade your hair completely, but you have to go with the hair strand. So how it goes, how it flows. So I am going to shade it in such a way. Okay. I'm just giving an outline to the body as well. So I'm just I hope you're all drawing with me. So after this session, you can share your drawings with me. So I'll feel very happy. And if you have any doubts, you can pick me in Instagram and you can reach out to me. See, I'm just going it with the hairline, something like this. Yes. So I have successfully shaded one part. I'll go for the other side as well. Sorry guys that my hand shadow falls. So just bear with me. I'm just shading it. You can also shade the same way as I'm doing. I'm just coloring it out quickly. But make sure you maintain that hair shape. Okay. So yes, I am done with my character. Just it's okay to have some white spaces because that's what shows you that the hair is falling in that way. So don't color it out completely because that doesn't show how your hair looks. Okay. So I just want you to have little white spaces here. So that definitely shows you how your hair style is. Okay. So with this only your hairstyle is defined. So please don't color it out completely. That doesn't look that good, that great. I'm now erasing off my guidelines and you'll see how my character looks. So I am erasing my guidelines. Okay, so how cool, guys. See, I have erased my guidelines. Okay, can you see it? I'll just bring it closer so that you can see my drawing. Okay, I think let's go for a boy. Give me a thumbs up like if you have completed this character so that we'll go for how to draw a boy with a different kind of with different face shape, not with the same classic view. Uh, like if you don't understand what I'm talking, you can just ping me separately. I can also tell in both Tamil as well as in English. So you can just DM me privately also. So have thank you Tamil Mori for completing it. Let's wait for a couple of minutes and I'll just show you how to draw a boy's face.
Guys, I want to check out. Is there anyone who don't understand Tamil?
I don't, Divakar.
Yeah, only Suganya is there. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, fine.
Okay.
Thank you, Suganya.
Okay. So see here, guys, I have made this character. See how pretty it looks. So same hairstyle I have given the same. This is the same hairstyle except I have given the hairline given here is different. Whereas here I have given in some other different way. So that's all. But the same long hair I have given to this girl as well. But here you can see how her eyes look, how her mouth looks, and only this one I have changed the eyes and the mouth part, but the hairstyle remains the same. But you can see the difference between two. Okay, I'll just show it in this way. See, okay, now I think it's clear. I think see here, guys, I have just changed the expression of both, maintaining the same face shape and same hairstyle. But look how different both the characters look. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. So, okay. Okay, now let's go for a boy. Okay. So for a boy, I'm going to make, let me take a new page. So for a boy, I'm going to make a square shape. And guys, you can also draw your accessories. Like if you have, what to say, if you wear a specs, you can definitely draw that too. So I'll just make a boy with a square face. Okay. And similarly, I mean, in the same way, I'm going to divide the face into 3 sections. See this, if the guidelines are not proper, you can again erase it off and then draw it. So yes, so this is how my boy face shape is going to look like. It is a square shape. Okay. Yamini, thank you so much. Um, okay, I'm going to draw. Wait, guys. I'll just lift my camera up. You can see it. So yes, I have made a square shape, and same way I am giving ears to that character. And this time I'm going to add uh, accessories, like I'm going to make his eyes bigger. Okay, something like this, and I'll be drawing the accessories. Okay, and this is a nose part, and I'm going to draw a teeth, something like this. Okay, so I'll draw it in a pen. So this time he's wearing a glass. Okay, see how it looks, and I'm going to show his teeth. So this is a different kind of expression. Okay, I'll erase the guidelines now. Guys, just make sure you draw the guidelines very lightly. Okay, I'm making it dark because I just want you to know where I'm drawing the guidelines. That's the only reason I am making it darker. But in your case, make your guidelines very light. Okay, so while erasing off, you will not have that doesn't take that much effort while erasing. Okay, so this time I'll just make the hairline look like this for a boy, something like this. Okay, and I'll go something like this. Okay, as if his hairs are flying. Um, okay, so as if his hairs are flying in the wind. In the same way, I am coloring it out. So you can also color, shade it with along with me. And as I said, I don't want a floating head, so I'm giving a body to this boy as well. Okay, a neckline, and just this is very simple thing. Okay, and in the same way, I'm going to draw his hairs as well. Okay. So see how pretty a boy looks with the accessories. Yes, I'll give you some few minutes. You can just have a look and you can also complete your diagram. Meanwhile, I'll show you another template which I made. Okay, with different hairstyles and with different facial expressions. I just made a set of templates. So just give me a thumbs up if you are drawing along with me, and if you are if you complete it, just give me a thumbs up so that I can move on to the next session. Till then, I'll be waiting for you guys. Yeah, thank you, Shiva, for your response. you, Shri, as well. I can see like many of you have joined, and I'm happy that even I think you are also trying it. Okay. Thank you, Akshay. Thank you, Ritika and Tamil for replying. Okay, now let me show you the template which I have made. Okay, see guys, uh, I'll just come from the top. Okay, so this is what the simple thing which I showed you with a very simple expression and a classic long hairstyle. See, I have made her hair to fall in front of her face. So, see, can you see how pretty it looks? It's only because of the white gaps which I have given. That's why you could see how the hair is flowing actually. Okay. And this one is an old woman. You can see, I'll just zoom in. You can see her wrinkles around her eyes and the hairstyle, which is, uh, the hairstyle is different. It is just like a bun. Yeah, thank you, Ritika. Thank you, Manoj. And you can also see she's wearing some ornaments and a dupatta. You can also try it in a similar way. And this one is, I think, most of the school girls and typically even me actually did in this way, like the plaits and with a ribbon. Okay. And this is something like French plait or something like this. You can all know. Okay. I'll just, this is, you can just see how the expression, okay, you can just see how the expression is different in everything. Yeah, I think she's seeing her, and you can see she's winking and with her tongues out. And this is how you will draw your curly hairs. Okay, so till now you have seen all how to draw a straight hairs, where now you can see how to draw a curly hair. Okay, that's pretty good. And this is when she's angry, and you can see this hairstyle is different. This is something like a wavy kind of hair. Okay, this is a curly, whereas this is a wavy hair. So if you give a cute expression like this, like the above one, even this girl will look good. Okay, not that bad. And this is something like fringes with this girl has. So that's what I try to make with her glasses on. And this is like a mother yelling or crying, which I just drawn. This is a boy with a very big glasses and a mustache and a beard. I just made this. And here you can see it something looks like an uncle, very tired uncle. Thank you, Tamil Mori. Thank you, Dharni. Thank you, Ritika and Madhumita. Thank you all for your response. Thank you so much. And you can see he has got a very thick eyebrows. So, guys, it's not only about the expressions. It's mainly about the expressions and the mouth combinations which I have made and the hairstyles. You can see different hairstyles, right? So that this is a French beard which I made, and this is all a boy. This is something like spikes, and this is like a nerd. So this is what I made. I'll just show you this template as well. You can just go on make your own template. Sorry, this flying. Okay. You can just go on make your own template. So this is the first template you have to make in order to make this, okay? Because with the set of eyes and the mouth, this is what I have used in this drawing, okay? So just go for making your own template of eyes and mouth with different combinations, and then you can jump into this part, okay? So if you want these templates, or you can just DM me and I'll just make it happen. So that's about doodling, guys. I think let's all move to mandalas, mini mandalas. Hope you all are interested in that. So let's go for that. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you, Manju. Thank you so much. Yes, everyone can draw. And I just want, these doodlings are very simple. I just want you to show you guys how simple it looks. And there are more details which I could tell you as well. While showing my drawings, I think you will understand it. Give me a minute, guys. Give me a second. Okay, thank you so much. And may I know who's okay? Thank you so much for sharing your work. Thank you. It's really awesome.
You are welcome, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm Sriram, ma'am.
Okay. It's very pretty good. It's very nice, Sriram.
That's it.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So, like I have made another ones. Like this is with the alphabets. This is what I made with an alphabets. You can see, like parents out here. Could you share your Insta ID? Yes. Shiva and sorry, yes, Sri. I'll just ping my Instagram ID. Uh, it is poised underscore strokes strokes. I have pinged it. Oh, sorry. It is. Just give me a second. 1
Ma'am,
minute.
speak my drawing.
Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, 1 minute. I'll just ping my Instagram ID. Uh, give me a second. Uh, Ramesh, since it is a lockdown, I think I'll go for a webinar or a workshop. So I think you can contact me in this poised underscore strokes Instagram account. So I'll be happy to help you all. And yes, I'm so happy to see you all. Recreating the artwork which I'm doing. So I'm so happy to see you all. You can also show your artwork as well to me. You can just open your camera and you can show me. I'll just have a look at it. Oh, Shri, yes, yes. I just want everyone to show, like, if you're drawing along with me. Yeah, it looks very nice. I'm so happy. Actually, I'm really happy to see your work, actually. Madhumita, Lakshanya, Yamini, yes. I could see Manju has also did. Uh, Shangamita, Shri. Oh, it's very nice. It's quite interesting to see you all drawing. And Ritika, yes, it's very nice. Yes, you can. Akshay has also did something. Yeah, it's very great. So, okay, guys, let's move on to this one, this part. Mm, okay, give me a minute. Okay. So this is what is like I made with different alphabets. So it's like A for apple, B for ball, something like this I have made. So all the parents out here, if you are attending this, you can just make use for this for your kids to you can draw and make use for your kids so that they will feel a bit more not see now. Roshni, can you please switch into my another thing? Priyanka Kumar, I have actually, can somebody from Amazing Human can pin this chat again? I don't know whether it is pinned. Roshni, can you see now? Okay. Uh, okay, so you can just see I have did for everything. So Q for queen, M for mouse, R for you can take for rainbow or rain, speaker, tap, whichever is easy to me, like I just made. You can also make it in a similar way. I have did from A till Z. Okay, this is one kind of thing you can do with the doodling, and I will teach you all these things in separate workshop. So you can just DM me, and I'll let you know these things. So these are the different things, and this is what I just made. This is a big picture of my story and myself, and that's it. So I think we are pretty good to move to mandala part. I think just give me a thumbs up, guys. I'll just we can just move to the mandala. Okay. So let's go for a mandala. For mandala, I would suggest you to take a compass if you want, because if you have a compass, or you can take bangles also, because we are going to draw a very small mini mandalas now. So it is not going to be more than 2 or 2.5 centimeter. So I'm going to take around, so it is like 2.5 centimeter have taken. So it's up to you guys, and you can take the mini mandalas. Why it is called mini mandala? Because it is less than 2 centimeter. Okay. So, but here I'm going to take 2.5. Okay. You can also take in the similar way. You can also do that. Feel free to rotate your thing, guys. I'll just draw this circle, I think. So you need to make concentric circles. So this is a circle which I made is of 2.5 centimeter. You can make it a little bit lesser. 2.3 is does also works good. So I'm just lowering this. Okay. I hope you can see. If you cannot see, just ping me. Guys, I think my circle is going something like, I'll just move out of the camera and I'll quickly draw the circle. Okay. So this is the circle. I just want you to make another concentric with a little bit lesser radius. Okay. Because it looks as an outline. Okay. So for every concentric circle you make, okay, I just want you to draw another circle, inner or like outer to it, so that it looks as an outline. So now you can see I made another circle. Okay, and I have again outlined it with it. I hope you are all doing with me. So again, I just want to give another concentric circle. I just want to make another concentric circle. So when this is going a little bit smaller and smaller, I'm just drawing it with my free hands. Okay. So this is how it looks like. If you are done with your concentric circles, you can just tell me. I have already made concentric circles like this with a pen, because I hope you cannot see it. So I just made it with a pen. Okay. I think it's pretty clear. Okay, guys. So let's get start and fill the intricate inside design into it. I'm again taking my fine liner. Okay. So I'm just starting off with coloring the innermost part. Okay. Guys, this is also a circle with same 2.5 radius. The only difference is that I have made many concentric circles. Okay, I have made many concentric circles. That's why you can see so many circles inside it. So I'm just drawing this. Okay. Now you can make, I have colored the innermost part, and now I am going to, like, the next concentric circle, I'm just going to draw straight lines. I think you can all see I am drawing straight lines. Yes. Like a chakra, something like this. I have drawn a straight line. Hope you're all drawing with me. So yes, let's go for the another circle. Or I'm going fast. If I'm going fast, just ping me in the chat or unmute yourself and tell me that, so that I can wait for you, since you're also drawing along with me. I just wait for you guys as well.
A bit slower, maybe.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So I'll wait. Okay, Shri. Okay, Shri, I'll wait. So I think you have to make your circles first. This is something a very therapeutic form of art because I just want you. I'm just waiting for you guys to complete. You can just give me a thumbs up once you're done. Till then, I'll be talking about mandalas, more about mandalas. So, guys, it is a very therapeutic form of art. If you like start doing it, you will definitely feel the difference. Um, so it is something. It is actually called as a magic circle. So it is like centering our space for self and soul. It is an art therapy, guys. So it definitely improves our concentration and focus on things. And you have to definitely try it out. Now I'll be teaching you mini mandalas. So you can DM me in the Instagram poised_strokes where I'll be teaching you very intricate mandalas. Okay, Ritika has given me a thumbs up. So you can, like those who are drawing with me can give me a thumbs up so that I'll continue drawing. Okay, she has given me a thumbs up as well. Okay, now I'll go to the next part. Okay, Tamil Mori has also given me a thumbs up. Thank you all for your response. So now I'm going to go for a usual. I'll just draw it out here so that maybe here you cannot see. I'll zoom in little. You cannot see. Yes, I think I zoomed in. Okay. So now in the second part of the circle, what you're going to make is something like this. I have named it as scallops. So something like this. Oh, can you please mute yourself, guys? I think there is a lot of disturbance. Can you all mute yourself so that there will not be any disturbance?
I'm doing it, Priyanka. Please continue.
Yeah, okay. So I'm just drawing it inside. So this is called as scallops. I have named it as scallops. It's just simple petal-like structure. Okay, so this is scallops.
Guys, please mute yourselves.
Guys, please mute yourself so that. Okay, so I have made the other part. Okay, someone has raised your hand. You can unmute and talk. What is there any doubt? Okay, so I'll draw, and you can see some white spaces inside this. Okay, I'll just zoom in. Okay, okay, I think I have zoomed in. You can see some white spaces. These are called negative spaces. Okay, so I'm just coloring this out. Guys, since I have made something like this is mine is very small. Okay, maybe your circle might be bigger. Okay, so I'll tell you how to fill inside if your circle is bigger. Okay, I mean if your scallops is bigger, I'll tell you how to cover that up. Okay, you can see how it looks. So this is how my mandala looks. Okay, so suppose in case your scallops is pretty good, something like this. Okay, it is very big. So you can, there are few tips which I can give. Okay, how to draw, like just make another boundary. Okay, in mandala we make another boundary. Okay. So you can just see these things. Okay. What I'll do is like I'll fill it up like this. Okay. Something like this. Or else I can go for something like this as well. Like I can color the whole thing. Sorry, I can just color the whole thing up. Okay. So if in case your scallops is something like this, you can just color it up, or you can just do this, or you can draw straight lines. So since my scallops is pretty good, I'm not going to do anything with that. So if you want, you can go and do any of these shapes. Okay. So for this, I'm going to make something like triangle. Okay, something like this. And feel free to rotate your papers because that's how you make your mandalas look greater. So feel free to rotate your paper, guys. So yes, I have made this part, and I am going to give a simple simple straight lines. Okay, hope you can see it. So something like this, and you can give a dots here. Okay. Something like this. So I'll wait for you guys to complete this circle. So if you're done, just give me a thumbs up, and I think I'll, I'll just continue with the other outer ring as well. You can give me a thumbs up. Okay, now I'll go for another thing. I'm just drawing a round over here in the other part. Okay, like Akshay has asked me to give me a couple of minutes, so I'm waiting. Nice, Shangamita. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, it's very nice. Like you can also show your works, so I'll be able to fill you. And Madhumita has also done a fantastic job. So you can all go with your pen, like if you have your gel pen with you, so you can just go with that so that it looks pretty much good. And Lakshanya has also done. Can you please zoom in? And yes, Lakshanya, it's good. It's pretty good. Yamini has done a fantastic job. I really love it, Yamini. And Manju has also did. Wow, it's very nice to see this. So I'm very happy to see all your diagrams. So thank you all for showing up your diagrams. I think you can go for the another circle. So you can just give me a thumbs up if you want me to go for. Okay. Okay, Madhumita, yes, you have done very nice job. Thank you all for giving me thumbs up, and I think let's move on to the next part. So, okay. Okay, so the next part here is I'm just going to draw circles, okay? Something like this. And this I'm going to repeat the same process throughout the circle, okay? So guys, with this, my mini mandala is going to get over. So if you have done an extra circles, if you have drawn extra concentric circles, you can just erase it off, because I have already told you mini mandalas something which doesn't exist more than 3 centimeters. So this mandala has a radius of 2.5 centimeter. So yes, that looks pretty good actually. If you want, you can color, if you have some negative spaces. The negative spaces which I mean, yes, I think you all know what is negative space, the white blank space. So if you feel there is some negative spaces, you can just fill it up, okay? You can just fill it up. So this is how my mandala looks, and it is called as inbound mandala. Why it is called inbound mandala? Because okay, so why it is called as an inbound mandala? Because it is inside a certain boundary, so that's why it is called inbound mandala. And next I'll be teaching you how to make outbound mandala as well. So or else I'll just show you how an outbound mandala looks like. I think we are nearing the end of the session, and you can just tell me which part did you like more, whether it is a doodling part or the mandala part. I'll just show you how an outbound mandala looks like. It's something looks like this. Can you see? This is also something which is 2 centimeter. So it is called outbound because it is not inside a circle. It is the petals are, I just made the petals outside. Okay, so I have made another simple mandala here. So this is again an inbound mandala, and this is also inbound. You feel like the the designs are simple, and so you can just thank you so much. You can see some comments. This looks great. Thank you, Akshay, and thank you all for DMing me privately also. Okay, so let me show you some of my mandala works, and I'll just show you my mandala works, and you can just have a look at them. So guys, give me a minute. I'll just take my mandala works and show you how it actually looks like. So all these things, okay. So this is something, a bigger mandala which I made. I just don't know how much, what is the centimeter of it, but I just made, it is made using with the help of grids. I hope you are all done with the mandalas, and I'll be showing you some of my drawings. Okay. Shangamita, it's very nice. Yes, and Madhumita, yes, you have done an amazing job. And Lakshanya as well. Yes, it's pretty amazing to see you all. Uh, Thank you so much for joining in, guys. Thank you so much. You can just have a look at my artworks which I have made. So this is again, yeah, 1 minute. Just give me a second. Okay. So this is something like this. I have also made something like this. So you can just see how the patterns are intricate. I have not taught you the different patterns. Okay. Thank you, Madhumita. Thank you so much. So I have not like shown you different kinds of pattern. I have just shown you very basic pattern. These are the patterns you can just I'm just lifting up my camera to see the whole look of the mandala. See how amazing. And while doing this, you will need your complete focus in while doing this mandala, and everyone's mandala will look great. And this is what this will be up in my Instagram post shortly. So yes, so these are some mandalas which I made. Okay. Okay, so these are some mandalas which I made and I just showed you. You can also make mandalas in the form of bookmarks. I'll just show you that also. So uh, this is something, just a piece of paper. You can just see it's a waste paper, which Akka, that panda work is brilliant. Thank you, Marvita. I'll just thank you, Akshay, for your lovely comments, and thank you, Shangamita. Uh, Thank you all for your comments. So this is something, this is called a bookmark mandala. Like, it is also a very basic pattern. And I have tied a thread, okay, over here. I just made a hole and I tied thread over here. So this can be used. Okay. One more. Okay. Okay. I have amounts as well. So I'll just show you another one is something like this. So I have also written something like radiate your energy, and this one I just made with a white pen. Okay. So this is something, this is actually I just cut out from an invitation card. So I just turned out into a simple book mandala. You can just visit my page poised underscore strokes, and you can just switch into that highlights DIY where I have shown you how to make a bookmark mandala. Thank you, Manju. Thank you so much. And I'll show you another bookmark. I this is quite different. I think you will love which I'm going to show you. This is quite different actually. So you can see this. This is a bookmark mandala. See, this is actually I have made it inside a book. You can just see it's a bookmark mandala. Okay, you can just take it off. Okay, this is something like this. You can just take it off and you can insert it here inside the page. Just give me a minute. Okay, I'll be inserting this. Okay, so yes, so I have inserted it, and this is how it looks. So this DIY, thank you, Yami. So this DIY, I will share it in my Instagram page as well. I have not shared yet, but I'll share it soon. And yes, while talking about, let's come back to doodling. So this is what the doodling, okay. I think this is a doodling. It is with full of cups and all, and I have painted it, okay. So this is how it looks like. If you have any doubts, just ping me, because I'm going to end the session in a few more minutes. So okay, before ending, I just want to tell you what are the art materials or the art supplies you can use for your doodling. So basically, you can use this one. I mean, Brusto fine liner. You have different brands as well. This comes in a pack of six. Okay. So I was currently using 0.8. Okay, I think it is a little bit blurred. Wait, let the camera focus. Okay, so now you can see, right? It is actually 0.8. Okay, and this set of sticks has got different fine liners actually. You can just see, have a look at it. It starts from 0.05, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.5, and it ends at 0.8. So this is the thickest one, and 0.05 has the thinnest one. Okay, this is the thinnest nib. This is what I am currently using, and with this only I have made all these artworks. So if you have any doubt, you can just ping me. And the bonus tip which I was talking about was that you can ping me in Instagram, okay, poised_strokes, and I'll be happy to help you out there. You can reach out to me, and I'll be conducting webinars and something like that. So it'll be very nice to meet you all out there as well. So this is what I have made with this session. Okay. So guys, if you have any doubt, you can just ping me. Thank you so much for staying live. Okay. So yes, so you can ping me, like if you have any doubts, you can just ping me or DM me to this account, poised_strokes, and I'll be really happy to help you out all. Okay. So is there any questions for me? You can ask me now. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Madhumita. I can see some works of her as well. Thank you so much. All your works are amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. So if you have any question, you can ping me. Yes, I can see Ritika Ramesh works as well. It's like pretty intricate, and yes, it's very, very nice. I think let's end the session. So if you have any doubt, you can DM me to this account, or you can ask me now. I think like most of you do not have any questions. Yeah, it's very nice, Akshay. I can see your work as well. Yes, very nice. And Shiva has also done a very amazing job. Yes, thank you so much for sharing your work. Thank you so much, guys. So thank you all. Okay, I think
so Priyanka, she completed the session. Whatever the question you have, you can post her.
Sorry, what questions do you have? I have not received any questions.
Hello.
Vanita, can you come again?
So whatever the no, Priyanka, I'm a host actually. So participants, if you have any question, you can post.
Yeah, okay. So yes, guys, you can share your works with me in the Instagram page as well. I'll be happy to help you out there as well. So okay, thank you for sharing your drawing.
So I think participants doesn't have any questions because you're given a very wonderful and informative, detailed explanation for each and everything, Priyanka. So it is a really informative and a wonderful session. So thanks to you. Thanks to audience as well, because I mean it's been a you people actually tried and you showed how, I mean the same way when Priyanka was trying, you guys also tried and tried to execute that art from your end. So it is a kudos to audience as well. So this is the last chance. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, Vanita. I'm getting some private DMs. So yes, someone has texted me like there is no age bar at all. You can, like, anybody who are interested in drawing can just ping me and join me in the session. Like there is no age bar. And okay, okay, I can see there is another question. What is the difference between mandala and Zentangles? So mandala is basically you will have it in a circular form, whereas Zentangle is not. It will not be a circular form. It will be in any shape you can just draw. So in mandala, the first thing is that in mandala you will use Zentangle pattern, but mandala is always circular in shape. But Zentangle need not be like that. I'll show you some of my Zentangle works as well. Sorry, I have not shown you that. Because I thought, okay, this is something, this is what an example of Zentangle, how it looks like. Can you see it? Amazing human being, like you have asked me a question. So it is like, I have drawn a leaf and have filled this leaf with different patterns. Okay, mandala also deals with filling up with patterns, but yet it will be in a circular format. Yes, and it will be started from inside and out. So how about using Figma Micron? Okay, I am pretty sure of. I think you can use Brewster fine liners. You can use Sakura Micron. That is actually good. And you can use. I don't think Faber-Castell works, but I think Sakura Micron, Stadler, all these things, art materials, are pretty much same, and it is of same cost, and you get it in different sizes as well. So, any other question, guys? So this is what Zentangle is all about. This is also a Zentangle where I have just made a mother and I have filled out with diagrams. Ritika, yes, yours is also a Zentangle because you have filled a fish with different colors, and this is a Dreamcatcher Zentangle. Yes, Ritika, it's an amazing to see you that you have done it, and this is a Dreamcatcher Zentangle. What is the use of charcoal pencil? So like charcoal pencil, it is mainly used for shading. Okay. So when you want to have very darker thing, it is easily smudgeable. You can just smudge it with your fingers as well. So in order to make your drawing look darker, and I can see Madhumita's drawing as well. Yes. So in order to make your drawing look darker, brighter, you can go for this charcoal pencil. And Madhumita, your drawing is amazing. I just drink some water as I was speaking throughout the session. If you have any doubts, you can ping me, guys. So, yes, Kavita. Yes, Kavita has asked, like, can you teach us online classes through this medium? Definitely, we can connect via Zoom like this, and that would be a paid workshop. So there, I'll be conducting group workshop as well as one-on-one workshop. If so, how many days it takes to learn? Kavita, can you be specific what you're talking about, whether you're talking about doodling or mandala? And it depends on how, like if you already know the art, and that would be pretty much easier. If not, it takes some days to learn. But what I think personally is like, yes, Kavita, you can DM me in Instagram. I'll again mention my Instagram account.
So, guys, anybody have any other questions?
So I think we can end the session. You can ping me in this Instagram account. Okay, guys. Yeah, you can end the session. I think there is no more questions for me.
Yes. So Priyanka, thank you for the wonderful session. So this is really informative, and I mean, even I didn't know that what is mandala before that. I even thought that it is something we are going to learn new. So really we learned new things actually. We came to know that what is mandala. I mean, how we have to draw faces. I
Yes.
mean, the people who are into art or paintings. Other than that, most of the people doesn't have idea about how to draw that small things. Also, you have to. I mean, explained everything in very detailed manner. Basically, we can draw the lines. After that, we can draw the face. Everything. It would be easy to
Yes.
learn also, as well as we can make it perfect. So those are the things which you explained really awesome. So it was a really wonderful and beautiful informative session, because I don't have any words to convey my tell about this session. That's why I'm just repeating my words.
Thank you so
So
much.
I mean, finally, before we are going to end the session, we have to share our thanks notes and tomorrow regarding tomorrow's session.
Yeah.
Diva, are you going to share thanks notes, Diva? One second, guys. Actually, I didn't connect it from mobile. So give me a minute. Let me share the thanks notes.
Thank you so much, Sukanya. It's amazing how it was wonderful to witness kids participate so wholeheartedly. Yes, thank you, Suganya. Yes, I could see so many kids. Can you do a recap again, Priyanka? Okay, and thank you so much. This was a really good session. I'll just take a screenshot of this. Can you please give me a second while answering it? Thank you all. Thank you all for your lovely comments. Thank you so much. That's really great that you also love the session. And okay, a very quick recap is like a mandala is always in a circular pattern, and doodling is something which you scribble at the backside of your notebook. Uh, so I just taught you how to make that doodle look better. Okay, and I have also taught you how to draw mini mandalas. To know or to doodle more with like for different objects, how to draw, how to do doodling for different objects. And something I showed you like alphabets, I just made some set of things. So you can also learn these things in doodling in a private workshop which I conduct. So for all these details, you have to like stay connected with me in Instagram account poise_strokes. I'm just repeating it, guys, because I think few of them also have doubts and few of them like to have a webinar after this. So you can have a group webinar or a one-on-one webinar. It's up to you guys. So that's what it is actually. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
So guys, I'm going to share my screen. Give me a minute.
Hello. Hi, Priyanka. This was நான் செஷன் நல்லா கவனிச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். ரொம்ப வண்டர்ஃபுல்லாக சொன்னீங்க. எனக்கு வந்து ஒரே கன்சர்னாக இருந்தது, தமிழில் பேச முடியுமா அப்படின்ற மாதிரி ஒரு சாய்ஸ் இருந்தது. பட் இட்ஸ் ஓகே. ஐ வாஸ் ஏபிள் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் வாட் இஸ் ரியலி யூ ஆர் ஷேரிங், அண்ட் இட் இஸ் ஸோ நைஸ் தட் யூ ஆர் மேக்கிங் இட் இஸ். ஸோ என்ன சொல்கிறது, ஒரு ப்ரிப்பேர்டாக கண்டென்ட்ஸ்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணிட்டு அந்த மாடல்ஸ்லாம் வந்து வச்சுருந்ததெல்லாம் பார்த்தது போது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. அண்ட் யூ ஹவ் கிரியேட்டட் ஓன் போஸ்டர் அண்ட் டூட்லிங்லேயே நீங்கள் ரெடி பண்ணியிருந்ததெல்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது பார்க்குறதுக்கு. ஸோ தேங்க்ஸ் லாட் பிரியங்கா. நீங்கள் டைம் எடுத்து இவ்வளோ நேரம் அரௌண்ட் ஐ திங்க் 1.5 hours மேலே பேசிகிட்டு இருக்கிறீங்க. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது, கேட்கும்போதே ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தது. நிறைய விஷயங்கள் புதுசாக கற்றுக்கிட்ட மாதிரி இருந்தது. ரொம்ப நன்றி. And if possible, Vanitha can Vanitha, I think your screen is very blank. Vanitha, are you there?
Oh, sorry, Diva. Is it visible now?
No, it's a blank one.
Okay, give me a minute. Let me disconnect. I mean, this is the first time I don't know how to share the screen. So I'm just trying it.
Okay, I will
So
be sharing it.
just tell me.
I will be sharing it. Thanks, Priyanka.
Oh, you are sharing it. Okay.
Yeah, thanks, Priyanka. This is what people have created something to thank you, and they have put their time and efforts to create a poster for you, for to thank you. So hope you are viewing it, and
Yeah.
yeah, I will be trying to share another session which is going to happen tomorrow. So hope others can, people who are interested, they can look at that also. 1 minute, give me a second. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Tomorrow, this.
Diva.
Hello.
Okay, okay, you opened. Fine.
Tomorrow the session will be based on the environment which is around you, how people are need to be care about ourselves and the environment. So it will be in totally in Tamil. தமிழ்ல தான் நம்ம எல்லாத்தையும் அதை பற்றி டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். சூழலியல் மற்றும் தற்சார்பு வாழ்க்கையை பற்றி தீபக் வெங்கடாசலம்ங்கிறவர் வந்து ஷேர் பண்ண போகிறாரு. திஸ் இஸ் வாட் அபவுட் டுமாரோ செஷன். உங்களுக்கு யாராவது விருப்பம் இருக்குது, நீங்கள் ஜாயின் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்கன்னா யூ கேன். வனிதா, நீங்க நம்ம குரூப்போட லிங்க்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ண முடிஞ்சதுன்னா சாட்ல ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.
நான் அப்படியே பண்றேன் Diva.
Yeah, people can view it and they can do it. So people can who want to join the further sessions, and they can use that WhatsApp group link to join, and they can handle it. So thank you.
Divakar, I have a doubt. Can I get this recording?
Sure. You will be getting it before tomorrow 9 a.m.
Okay. Thank you.
Paka. Vanitha, you can end the session by thank you note if you have anything to share. And
Okay. Thank you, Diva.
Finished. If Priyanka if you want to say something, how do you feel after the session and before, and that would be giving us something what you are feeling about it.
Yeah, it was actually pretty good. This was my first live session. I have not connected with such a wide number of audience. So I feel very happy that everyone loved my drawings, and they were also they also liked it. Like they can do all these drawings very easily. I think I helped them out. So that's it. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it, Divakar.
Okay.
And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, like trusting in me and giving me this opportunity. If you have anybody who who wants me to talk in Tamil and then explain all these things, I'll surely do another session with you all in Tamil. So I just want to tell you that as well.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Hi all, actually this is Vanitha. I just posted my number in our group chat. Whoever wants to join the WhatsApp group, kindly ping me separately. I'll immediately add you because I just connected from iPad. I'm unable to copy the link actually. The same issue which happened when I'm sharing the screen also. Sorry for that. Sorry for the disturbance from my end and inconveniences. So thank you Priyanka again for your wonderful session.
Thank you so much, Vanitha. Thank you so much.
Okay. Can I end the session, please?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you all. Thank you
about
for
to share
giving
something.
me. Yeah.
Are you about to share
No.
something?
No. I'm done. I'm pretty good. I just want my recording session so that I can share it with my friends. So that's it. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
தங்கள் கூற்றை தவறே இல்லை.